air conditioner is the appliance in our home that consumes the most electricity. Its total power consumption can be almost 5 to 10 times higher than other appliances in the house. Here, if we talk about a 1-ton inverter air conditioner, it can take around 1 kilowatt to 1400 watts of power. If we talk about a 1.5 ton AC, it can take from 1.5 kilowatt up to 2200 watts of power. Along with this, a 2-ton AC takes more than 2 kilowatt of power. So in this way, having the correct size of wire for an AC is very important, because if you choose the wrong wire size, your wire can get damaged quickly or may even burn. Here, the wire size depends on how long the distance is for usage. The greater the distance between your AC and the switchboard, the thicker wire you need to use with it. But I will give you a general idea of what wire size is sufficient for different tonnage of AC. First, let's take the example of a 1-ton AC, which can take around 1 to 1.5 kilowatt of power. Here, the wire from the AC to the switchboard can be up to 1.5 mm, and the wire from the switchboard to your MCB box can be 2.5 mm, because at the switchboard, apart from the AC, some other appliances may also run, and because of this, along with the AC load, other appliances also run. So your 2.5 mm wire can easily handle that load. But if from the MCB box to the switchboard and from the switchboard to the AC, you only want to run the AC, then you can use 1.5 mm wire for the entire wiring. In the same way, if your AC is 1.5 ton, then you can use 2.5 mm wire for the entire wiring. And if your AC is 2 ton, then you can use 4 mm wire. The wire sizes mentioned here are based on the condition that only the AC is running from the MCB box to the switchboard and from the switchboard to the AC. If you run any heavy appliance on the switchboard along with the AC, then the wire between the switchboard and the MCB should be slightly thicker. Here, if you are installing a 2-ton AC and running more load on the switchboard, then you can use 4 mm wire from the MCB box to the switchboard. And from the switchboard to your AC, you can use 2.5 mm wire. But here also, if the wire length becomes very long, for example, if the MCB box is there and your AC is installed far away, then you should use 2.5 mm wire instead of 1.5 mm. Use 4 mm instead of 2.5 mm and use 6 mm wire instead of 4 mm. In this way, your load will run smoothly. If the distance between the switchboard and the AC is very small, then for a 1-ton AC, you can easily use 1 mm wire. I have used 1.5 mm wire for my 1.5 ton AC, and we have also made a full load test video of it. It consumes around 1800 watts of power. So 1.5 mm wire is also sufficient for it, because the distance between the AC and the switchboard is small. If you still have any question or suggestion about this, then comment in the video comment box. If you like the video, then like and share it. Also subscribe to our channel, and after subscribing, make sure to press the bell icon so that you keep getting such videos from time to time.